In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel logo using Canva. This process is simple, and I will guide you through it step by step. Start by opening canva.com. If you don't have an account, sign up first. Canva offers a free version, which is perfect for creating logos. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right of the screen. From the options, select YouTube Logo. This format is square and works well for all logos. You'll now see a blank canvas. The first step is to set a background. Click on the canvas, then go to the color options in the top left corner. You can pick a solid color or choose from Canva's gradient options. Select one that matches the theme of your channel. Next, add your channel name. Go to the text option on the left menu and click Add a heading. Type your channel name. For this example, I'll name it Help a Man. You can adjust the font size, style, and color to make it more visually appealing. To center the text, use the purple alignment guides that appear when moving the text around. Now, let's add an image or icon that represents your channel. Go to the Elements tab on the left menu and search for icons or illustrations that match your channel's theme. Select an icon, adjust its size, and place it on your design. You can add more decorative elements to make the logo unique. For instance, use lines, shapes, or patterns available in the Elements tab. Experiment with different layouts until you're happy with the result. When your logo design is complete, click the Share button at the top right and select Download. Choose the PNG format for the best quality, then click Download. Your logo will be saved to your computer.